In this video, I will show you how to use ESP32 with LoRa SX1278 module. Transmitter LoRa side I have connected push button and receiver side LoRa connected with LED. Push button status will transmit and live data information will update in receiver side. Please watch full video to make this project.